Hey, my chickadees, welcome back to the Back 40. It's Juju. I want to thank all my subscribers for coming back and watching my videos, and my new ones, welcome. Thank you for joining the channel, but thank you. I appreciate it, and I hope you enjoy the content. Today, I'm going to do the Margaret Miller Week 24 Collage Challenge to kind of relax and chill out. Because ever since I got off work, I have been organizing and cleaning the craft room for the Daisy and Grace Challenge. And it has been a something. I have been very productive. I've accomplished a lot. I've even thrown away, garbage bag and stuff. And I've got my lace organized. And I've got my desk clean from up under here. Girl, let me tell you. Woo, howdy. I think there was stuff that I found when I first started crafting a year and a half ago. Oh, Lord Jesus. But it's all clean now. It's just clean. And I think my lace, was breeding like rabbits. But I believe I found everything in the scrap room. But I promise you, if I find any more, I'm just going to have to just chunk it. Because it's been an ordeal, but it's done. Praise the Lord. Okay, now I've done the desk stuff. I have cleaned off the stuff over here, and I have organized my stickers. Now Carrie from Daisy and Grace, she organized her stickers, and she did a fantastic job. But I'm a little too lazy for that. So I kind of took a little bit what she was doing and did a little spin off on it, because I was just, she was great. I mean, hers is fabulous. She made a journal, and she used repositioning paper and redid her stuff. Not me, no, I can't do that. So I took me a binder, and 100 years ago, we got a $10 basket from Dirt Cheap, and it had a whole bunch of these in them. And it's been so long that even this is yellowed on some of the bags. So I thought, okay, I haven't been using them. Let me just dig them out of the closet and use them. So I did. I punched holes here and staggered them, and then put my stickers in them and divided them with a file folder. And put stickers in them. These little onesies didn't have any. This my sister gave for my birthday yesterday, so I put those in there and I stuck them. Now these are the rub-ons, and I just put them in a sheet protector and slid them in the sheet protector, and then my Will Norris here. And then I have a couple of sticker books that I just put right down on the shelf. Of course, I had to clean off that shelf and organize it. That was another whole ordeal. Then I have my Mr. Timmy. Now, Mr. Timmy, I had to put all his stuff together in one thing. So I put all his in a little small binder, because I don't have much Timmy. He's a little expensive, so, I just don't have much him. Not much at all. Okay, these are all his little people. I just stuck them all together, took them out of all the packs, and just stuck them in here. These are miniature dolls, his new release that he had. I forgot what he calls them, People and Faces or Photoshop or something. That's in here. His large dolls, his headshots, everything is just, I just took them all out of the pack and stuck them in here. I need to start using them. I've been hoarding them. I've had like one pack of each, I think, and a couple packs of another one. And I've just been hoarding them, so I need to use these. What's the point of having them if you don't use them? So then I took this one and put his stamp book on this one. This isn't his, but it kind of goes with his stuff, so I stuck that in there. I put, this one was too tall, his new tape, so I just cut the top out and slid it down in there. And there's his wings and his frames. I think that's the one that's called Layers Photo Studio. And then his 2 collage. I've been hoarding this. This is all I have left, and you can't find anymore. Is his tissue paper, that Halloween one. I love that tissue paper, and that's all I have left. I wish I could run across some. And then here is his other frames. In here is, I didn't open these up. Those are the collage strips. I figure when I open them up, I'll put them in there. This one comes from the Dollar Tree. This was not the 100-year-old $10 basket. This is from the Dollar Tree. I just punched holes in it. Actually, the ones from the Dollar Tree are a little better because they are flat on the end, but they're smaller. They do have the large ones at the Dollar Tree. I don't have any of those. I just got that one. And then on the back, I had this label book. It's not Timmy's, but it kind of goes with it, so I stuck it in here. And on the back of the books, if you can, I don't know if you can see, I put that re-stickable tape so it would hold it flat against there, and then you can re-stick it every time. And then that's some little girls I got from IKEA that I stuck in there. So that is how I organized my Timmy Holden stickers and ephemera. Of course, on my shelf over here, I had to clean this shelf off. Oh, my Lord. So I got all that cleaned off. Then I got my glue book stuff cleaned off. I have been working really hard and organizing a lot of stuff. I have some before and after pictures, and I need to get those posted in the Facebook group. I posted some, but not all. So I need to get busy doing that. Now, we're here right now to do our collage challenge because I need to wind down and take a bath at bed. This is week 24, and it says something from the recycle bin, a bottle or glass, a piece of wrapping paper, a favorite food, text in a different alphabet, and a bonus of 3 things of something, 3 of something. Okay, so I have some Latin for my alphabets in the language. My favorite food is a hamburger, and I'm hungry. This looks really good. Recycle was the label off my diet, right drink. The tissue paper, I actually got didn't have wrap paper, but they wrapped my birthday gift. My son and his girlfriend wrapped she made a homemade candle. It smells so good. But they wrapped it in this tissue paper, so I was going to use it and put it here, so when I look back through it, I'll, get a giggle and remember that. And then my 3 of something, or my 3 little white flowers, and my bottle and glasses here. This is some old sign book that I got from Cheryl that ordered from her. So we're just going to collage this down and see if this glue won't help me. I even took some of my glue book stuff, went through the pages and cut out what I was wanting and cleaned those up because, it was just kind of there. And, I was like, oh, Lord. So I got that all straightened up and in its own little box by itself, and plus he put some of the images that I wanted and trimmed out the other ones and got that all taken care of for the glue book. And let's see, what else did I do? Oh, I think that was it. Lord, that's enough, I tell you. It's still a mess. Still a mess. I found stuff that I had gotten, and I told Bonnie if I ordered any more doilies to feed me to them pigs, cause I tell you what, I have enough doilies for me, you, and Mama Sue. I have enough. It was, I thought one day it didn't have any doilies. I need doilies, and I just started buying doilies and buying doilies and buying doilies. Did I use the doilies I bought? No. I just continued to buy doilies. So I got a whole bunch of doilies. Same thing with lace. Same thing with let's see, what was the other thing? It was appliques. Same thing with that. It's like, I just got problems. Then I get it and I hoard it, you know. I'm like, oh my Lord. What's up with that? You buy it to use, then you don't use it. Just hold on to your stash for some ungodly reason. Makes absolutely no sense. If you was my patient, I would send you to a 12-step program and a psychiatrist. So I'm glad I'm not my patient. Of course, probably need one. Anyhow, today. At least hubby be happy. It straightened up a little bit. Of course, I made a big old mess. He just looked at me and walked off. I was like, yep, I'm at it again. He says I move my crap from one spot to another, and I don't really get rid of nothing or clean up nothing. I just kind of move it around. Well, I figure if I move it around and it looks good and organized and I can tell where it is, you know, and still have my stuff, okay, all right. Where I put it makes you happy and feel better. And I still have my stuff, and we are all good in a bag of chips. Cause you mess with Mama Juju's crafting stuff, you might wind up being big. I'm just saying, you don't mess with a woman's crafting stuff. Nope. I'm tired and I'm rambling. Ooh, I don't like that. Hold up, let me get it out. Oh Lord, is it too late? No, thank God these are sticky. This glue is good. It gives you there. It gives you a little time on slick stuff, but like this paper stuff, you ain't got but just a hot minute to reposition it and then it's stuck. But it takes a little bit for it, a little time for it to dry on the slick glossy stuff. If it dries and holds, I've been testing it. Cause you know I got that glue problem. I seem to have lots of problems. But, you know, awareness and admitting it is, you know, the first step, they say. I'm gonna glue it to myself on that. I didn't trim this up or straight put that down. Right there. I like it right there. I got glue on the edge over there. Nope. Yeah, oh. It's absolutely. I got enough glue now. Get him on a K-man. Our little waiter. He's cute. Okay, and then I'm going to use some things because I don't trust my glue sticks. Even though they are, I think, paper. I still don't trust it. We're going to use some of this here. So, are y'all doing the challenge? If not, go on over to Facebook to Daisy and Grace. That's not going. I should have grabbed this one in the first place. That's my Fabri-Tac. Oh, these bottles are wonderful. Dollar General. Go to Dollar General. You get 3 for $2. And they are wonderful little bottles. I got all my glues in one. And then I just label what they are so I won't, forget. Easy little cluster. Little cluster. Like that. Why did you lie? I'm gonna trim the food. So this is our week 24 of the Margaret Miller Collage challenge. Y'all know I can't cut a straight line. I had this ruler I wanted to put on it. You know, because you eat them burgers and stuff, you need to be measuring. I was mighty proud of myself. I didn't eat nothing. Didn't eat nothing. Get this over here so I can see put this glue on. My eyes are working. So I was just going to do a couple challenges for the Daisy and Grace challenge. But you know, when you get to cleaning and you start doing one thing, it leads to another and then to another. Because when I got one spot done, I said, oh Lord, look at that other spot over there. It just looks horrible. So then I had to straighten it up. Well, then when I went to put something else on the shelf, I thought, well, I just can't put this thing. I just worked so hard to make it look so good on this dirty shelf. So I had to clean the shelf up. Then it's just leading one thing to another. So I figured I just need to, you got a month for the challenge. So I figured I just need to go and just redo the whole little craft room thing for the whole little challenge. Touch everything. Make sure it's all put back where it's supposed to be. All that good stuff. You know. Okay. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. That is our week 24 on the Margaret Miller Collage Challenge. And we have something from the recycling bin, a bottle or a glass, a piece of wrapping paper, a favorite food, text in a different alphabet, and a bonus of 3 things. So that is my collage for this week. All right. Thank you. Y'all have a good one. Bye. Love you.